What's going on? This is just a quick sound test of the NearStream wireless microphone. This is the actual test, and what I cannot believe is the noise reduction on this thing. I'm tapping, mind you, I'm tapping on the microphone right now. Give me a second. 1, 2, 3. I just tapped on it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You did not hear anything. I tapped directly on the microphone. The sound of the noise reduction is superb on this thing. This is the test of the NearStream wireless microphone. This is an incredible wireless mic. I highly recommend this one.
「内容物はご覧の通りです。本体を確認します。タイプ C 充電ポート、マイク2個と受信機1個、受信機を確認します。ペアリングボタン、マイクを確認します。電源、ミュートボタン、裏面はマグネットになっており、物に挟んで固定できます。クリップに交換も可能です。録音してみました。
When the Washington Post would, make an editorial decision and endorse a presidential candidate. For many decades, the Post very studiously did not endorse presidential candidates. The kind of founder of the modern Post, a guy named Eugene Meyer, whose words are still inscribed in the lobby as you walk in, was against the idea because he thought.
Magnetic backing, so you just snap that on your shirt, or there's a clip, and the windshield works great too. So yeah, highly recommend.
So this is what the lav mic sounds like. I do have a dog next to me playing with a toy, and I also have a fan going on in another room. But yeah, I think, and my room is kind of echoey. But yeah, so this is what this mic sounds like, just so that we can get kind of a feel for what it sounds like.
After hours and hours and hours of trying to figure out what was going wrong, I had to turn my volume down on my phone to get the thing to work right. I searched the internet and everything. So if you buy these and you don't think they work, turn your volume down.